This was one of the ballsiest things I've ever done in a courtroom. Put another witness on the stand that's not the actual witness that's supposed to be there. So we had a client who was a car dealer and he was building a dealership, and that required a lot of construction, excavation, demolition, and he hired a general contractor who he thought had liability insurance. Lo and behold, after a person gets injured on the accident site, he makes a claim with that person's insurance. However, came to find out that the insurance disclaimed and said that he didn't pay the premium for that month the accident occurred. So now the owner of the premises is liable to this injured party. Even though that person didn't hire that employee, Labor Law 240 subsection 1 holds an owner strictly liable for any injuries as a result of a labor law violation pursuant to Labor Law 240 subsection 1. The case went to trial, and I knew that the person who was injured was exaggerating a lot of his claims, if not all of them. We made sure that at trial, we put on the stand a different person other than the owner that we represented. And when he was on the stand, I asked him, I said, do you recognize the person that was on this site? And he said, yes. And I put in the witness stand a different person. And he said, that's the person that was there. And then a few minutes later, I actually bring in the real owner and tell the person, do you recognize this guy now? And he says no. And so we proved to the court that the plaintiff, who was alleging serious injuries, was lying. Was not only lying about his injuries, but was lying about what he knew at the accident site. And so we were very successful in defending that lawsuit.